passenger. Like, what is that banging around?
What they give you extra thing. There you go. Nice. Turn back into it. Oh, don't go too far back. There we go. On the front and the bumper got bent. One time it come over with the tire. This was like in the beginning of my RC career. So I was like 3, I was 6 feet outside of it. That's it. It was the second. Kind of hard. So he ain't really real good about
Thankfully, it would have been a picture. Going through that. Got a rain. Oh, that's all right.
got one.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Good job. This year's the 10th anniversary. I'd love to see him release the 10th anniversary edition.
Nice, goodbye.
He did. He went off and up over there.
That's where everybody wants to put their foot. We need to put a rock over it.
Instead of going this way.
Over that piece of foam? Or you went on the... I'm not sure.
He came from that side. Did he, Wayne? Did you see him? Did he go across the bridge?
No, he went.
He went up over there?
Yeah. Oh, he just went down right there.
He went across.
No, he just went down right there.
Oh, he went underneath.
Yeah, you want to see the video?
Full rough.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Good job. It'll be tight. You got 1:05. Take your time. No progress either.
Dang. No progress?
You got 45 seconds. Yeah, the back tires didn't make it through.
Oh, I got you. There you go.
There you go. Now what?
Come around. You got to come back around. Yeah, there you go.
Same way.
Yeah.
35 seconds. You
Got
got time to get over there.
Yeah, you do. That's right. Yeah, you do.
Just take that lower one.
Yeah, I can take the lower one.
Yep.
Keep doing it.
Yeah, 25 seconds.
Nice. I got it.
There you go.
Good job. There you go.
Front wheel drive, baby. You got it.
That bridge moves. Be careful.
Nice.
Nice and slow, nice and slow. You got time.
Did it hit it?
No, I don't think so.
Your sliders.
Oh, slider might be on.
Touched it, I can't see. Yeah, the sliders touched it.
Nice. Nice job.
You can if you can.
Whoa!
There you go.
Nice job. Nice job.
Come on.
Come on, real push.
Whoa.
We got this game over here.
Oh, is that what that wheel was doing?
Yeah, it
What did it do?
it broke.
Oh.
It twisted the C-hub around.
Oof.
Okay.
Fuck. Let's winch this bitch.
Funny.
At the end of this line.
Snap something.
There you go. Roll off, bitch. Fine, I'll give you some more.
Come on. Don't do that.
Upside down. 50 seconds.
It's doing really well. But like you said,
You do this.
what was the type of that has that's been my theory.
Come on. Come on, girl. I'll take it.